How to save videos from files to photos on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save videos from the Files app directly to your Photos app on your iPhone. First, open up the Files app on your iPhone. Now go ahead and navigate to the folder where your videos are saved. In most cases, if you downloaded them from Safari or another app, they'll probably be in the Downloads folder under On My iPhone. Once you're inside the folder, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Select. Now choose the video you want to move. After selecting, tap the share icon in the bottom left corner. Scroll through the options until you find Save Video or Save to Photos. Tap that, and just like that, your selected videos will be saved to your Photos app. To double check, just open the Photos app. Go to the Recent album, and your videos should be right there, ready to view or edit. That's all for this tutorial. If it helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.